Good morning from Gränna, Sweden. Today, me and my friend are heading over to the biggest island in the second largest lake in Sweden. We are up bright and early. We're taking one of the first boats in the morning, the one that leaves at 9:30. It's already a queue, so hopefully, fingers crossed, we will be able to get on this boat. So let's head out there. So this is the queue at the moment. We'll see if we'll be able to get on. So here we have the boat that's going to take us over to the island. The crossing is about 25 minutes and a one-way ticket costs 60 kronor for adults. And hopefully we'll be able to get on the boat for 9:30. There are a lot of people here, but yeah, fingers crossed. Have now picked up our bikes, and one big tip is, especially if you're visiting here summer during the weekend, is to pre-book your bikes because they're easily sold out, and for one day it costs 150 kronor. So yeah, we're going to just prepare the bikes and then start cycling. Okay, we are now finished. Here we have the bike. And yeah, I think the plan is to start cycling south and see where we end up. So let's start cycling. Around the island you will find horse-dragged carriages going all around the island, which, you know, takes around the tourists as well. And yeah, just remember when you're cycling that you can encounter these, so go to the side of the road to avoid them. But yeah, we've stopped now because one is coming towards us. We have now reached the south part of the island, and I've just been up with the drone. It's breathtakingly beautiful. The scenery was totally amazing. This is a Swedish summer idol? No.
Summer dream.
Summer dream, yeah. So beautiful. But yeah, it's getting a bit warm at the moment, so I think we're going to head to the beach. There isn't a big beach, but there is a boardwalk where you can get into the water from. So I think we'll hang out there for a bit and just relax.
Oh, snälla! Oh.
What just happened?
There was sounding like in the here, and it was like a hair. A hair?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought it was like some. I couldn't see it. I could just see movements in the field. Oh my god.
Yeah, okay.
That's right. Oh.
So we have now made it to the beach, and as you can see, it is very minute. It's also stones, and this is actually the coldest lake in Sweden, or the coldest water in Sweden, people would refer to. And Natalie is already in, and she's ready to swim. We just went for a swim, and it was really refreshing and nice. The perfect temperature, and once you got past the cobbles, the bottom was nice and sand. So yeah, so perfect, so nice. And there are actually not that many people here. They're all spread out and everything, so that's great. It's now lunchtime, and we are going to eat our picnic lunch here on the beach. I have wraps, and Natalie also has wraps. Tuna wrap. So the summer heat is extreme. We're starting to cycling northbound here along all the beautiful fields. And yeah, the sun is very strong today.
Look at this
Swedish house, traditional house. The Falu red color. So all around the island you will find lots and lots of farm shops selling ice cream or local delicacies. You can buy potatoes and local produce as well. So yeah, when you're just cycling around you find all these small hidden gems, which is really nice. And this is I think probably as Swedish as it gets, with the red and white houses next to each other with the Swedish flagpole. So yeah, it's been kind of too good to be true this day. It's so nice and so great with some nice weather. Yeah, and we're making our way back towards the harbor, heading north, and yeah, so nice. You can also find this along the way. Wave to Greta. So this warm weather calls for some warm drinks, so we just went in and bought some cold drinks to cool us off in this heat. And behind me in the distance over there we could see the horse-drawn carriage riding around the island, which is a traditional thing to do here on the island, which is really idyllic and nice. But yeah, now we're going to try and get back to the harbor without sweating to death. So let's go. Harbor 1 kilometer away. We have now made it back to the harbor, and I was wrong before. The return ticket is 60 kroner, so yeah, that's really a good price. And yeah, it's currently 28 degrees outside, scorching hot, and it's no wind at all, which is quite unusual here, but it's been so lovely, such an amazing, perfect day we've had. And yeah, we're going to start heading back towards mainland. The ferry, I think, leaves in about 10 minutes again, so yeah, let's head to the mainland. we have now made it back to the mainland, and we're going to start heading back home. Tonight we have a friend reunion, which will be really nice. So yeah, I'll see you next time. Bye!